guys, Cheryl here. I want to share with you 5 common mistakes that we do when we cook our food. Number 1, peeling. Experts are saying that when the vegetables are grown under the ground, we should not peel. What we need to do is to wash and brush properly before we cook it. You can also use rough cloth like this for your veggies, so it will remove the bad stuff on your vegetable, just like potato and carrots. The other way to remove any dirt on your vegetables is to soak it in a bowl of water with a little bit of baking soda for about 5 to 10 minutes. But don't peel. Let me show you why. I will cut my potato. If you cut your potato like this and you put it against the light, you can see that the darkest area is just underneath the skin. That's where the concentration of the nutrition is, in the potato. So just imagine if we peel it, we remove the most nutritious part of the potato. Number 2, cooking in water. You can actually try this at home. Just shred your carrot, put a glass of water, mix it for about 10 seconds, then transfer the water in the glass. Look what happened after 10 seconds in just cold water. Do you know that the color of the vegetables is its vitamins and the flavor is its minerals? Would you agree that if I give it to you now, it will have lesser sweetness? It tastes bland. That's why most children, they don't eat vegetables. We don't cook it properly. It's because water is a very hungry solvent. It dissolves the nutrition in our food. All the flavor is now in here. So now, what we need to do in our carrot when we cook it, we will have to bring back the flavor by adding salt, pepper, and all this seasoning to make it taste good. But if you can just taste the carrot without the water, it tastes very sweet. Do you know that it takes a season to get the color in the carrot? But it only took us 10 seconds to lose it. Number 3, oxidation. Oxidation happens when light and air goes into our food. If you cut the apple, it will become brown so easy. How about in cooking? When we use a cookware with a glass lid, some of the light is actually going to our food. That is not good. Or if you can smell what you're cooking, that is some nutrition coming out of your cookware already. Number 4, fats and oils. Do you know that every meat, chicken, lamb, pork, beef, it has natural oil and salt, and you can actually cook them or fry them without using any oil or salt, or even less oil and salt. So what's the importance of that? If we use less oil, it will help people suffering from high cholesterol. And if we use lesser salt day after day, it will help people with high blood pressure. Number 5, excessive heat. There's 3 different ways we cook our food these days. Some people boil, steam, or even use the microwave oven. Nutritionist says that vegetables has natural minerals, vitamins, and enzymes that are very sensitive to heat. And if we cook it above 90 degrees Celsius, we will start to cook away the nutrition in our vegetables. So what are we doing wrong? Well, most people these days, they boil their vegetables, just like broccoli and potato. And boiling happens at 100 degrees centigrade. Some people actually use steaming. We steam our broccoli, we steam our corn on the cob. Do you know that steaming happens at 111 to 120 degrees Celsius? It's even hotter than boiling because you have to boil the water first before you can actually make a steam. And in the hospitals, they use autoclaves to kill the bacteria in their instruments. And if you have a baby, the baby bottles, we normally steam it to kill the bacteria so that it's safe for our babies. If steaming kills the bad stuffs in the hospitals, what do you think it will do to the good stuffs in our food? Other people even use microwave oven to cook their food out of convenience. Do you know that in the microwave oven, the temperature can reach between 200 degrees to 400 degrees Celsius? That's why you can cook your food in just 1 to 2 minutes. Experts are saying that by the time we peel, we boil, we steam, and then we heat it up in the microwave the following day, we are actually losing on average 85% of the nutrition in our food just by the way it's been cooked and prepared. What does it mean to us? We spent a lot of money in our food. We buy fresh vegetables or even organic, which costs us more money just to make sure that our family are getting the maximum nutrition to help build our immune system and also get the energy that we need. But little did we know that with all the things that we are doing, by the way we prepare and cook our food, we are losing a lot.